We out here with Joe. What's good?
What up? Hey, I didn't know I was on camera. One scoop. Why are you trying to do?
You could do 2 scoops. So we out here, we're gonna lift real quick. You know, we tried Wahlburgers. It was alright.
Nah.
5 Guys is much better.
It's far superior, but your boy Clint here is trying to tell me to take 2 scoops of pre. I see the serving size says 1. Trying to set
it says
me
you
up.
can over here suggested use. You can do 1 to 2 scoops.
Dude, no, I'm good, bro. I like sleep.
So this is right here is a Ghost pre-workout. It's a sour watermelon. It's pretty legit. And you know you can always pair it with
Cocaine.
some quinoa and brown rice. No, some Noxygen. You know that pump enhancer.
Oh, what's up? Let me get some of that too.
But following Joe's workouts because he's a fucking beast.
We're gonna work out shirtless today, Clint. Shirtless bro workout today.
Hey man.
Arms and calves.
All right, let's get it.
Sit, folks. Sit. 45 pounds, baby.
Joe doing overhead press, intermittent with me doing squats.
Outside in the all black rock, 10 rolled up when I'm out. Say they all wanna live, but I just wanna die. Motherfucker, if you looking for me, find me in the light. I got nothing when I fight. I wanna take your fucking life and hit it right on sight when I strike you.
Leave that door open. So just finished a bomb-ass workout with Joe. Helped perfect my squats, deadlift, and stuff. You guys can tell I don't have much car content because we're doing a lifting video. I think this is the first lifting video on the channel, but it's with the legend himself, Joe. He's got that serious fucking pump going on in his damn arms.
It's all from late night activities, not lifting.
All right, well, come on, we're trying to be PG, not
PG,
X.
my bad. Yeah,
You know, we might got some followers that, you know, don't know what that means quite yet.
Oh, I think
Jesus.
they do. I think they do.
Alright, what's good, guys? Currently just editing this video up, working out with Joe. He helped me perform my squat, deadlift, and bench. I'm following his program for working out, stuff like that, so kept everything pretty mellow, perfect that form. But right now, what I'm going to show you guys is what I ordered for the quick release. So, I told you guys that I'm getting a quick release because I sold my GT spec. Reason being is when I'm on the track, I don't want to lose, or I don't want the airbag to blow up in my face. So, I opted to get a quick release. I sold the GT spec. I went with an NRG quick release hub. Just basic quick release hub. Red. I don't know why I chose red. It's the only color that I kind of liked out of all these ones. I don't want to pay an extra 10 bucks for a carbon fiber ring. So we got that. Then we got the quick release, and then we got the NRG hub, the short hub. You get the gist. The short universal hub. And then we went, and then can't speak the English. Speak of the English. We got a Sparco steering wheel. Did I spell that wrong? No. So I got the R35. If I can find it. Or is it R325? Yeah, the R345 steering wheel in suede. So we'll see how this one goes for. Never had a suede wheel before. Some people say wear gloves with it. I don't think I'll wear gloves with that, but yeah. So I got that. There's some other parts that I got or will be getting through Adam. That'll be a secret until we get the car back up and running, which, like I said before, back up and running super soon, hopefully. I mean, Michaela and I just paid and planned for a trip, so I gotta do that first and then save up, of course. But, of course, Adam and Travis always down to help, always willing to support the build, stuff like that. But Michaela and I are going to Disneyland. I don't know if you guys want to see a Disneyland video. I did one last time. I got 1,000 views. Some of you guys liked it, some of you don't. Whatever. It's for fun, right? It's a vacation. Get away from work. Do stuff like that. So this thing coming up, the Killer Bee oil control valve. I'll be getting that to help control oil so it doesn't slosh back and forth. And then I'll also be getting the IAG Race AOS along with the Killer Bee oil pan and the Tomei baffle. I'm telling you this now. I'm sure I'll show you guys it when I get the parts. But that's what that is what's going on with my car. And then, like I said, there's some other parts that I'll be getting. I may or may not. So if you guys are local, I do not want to ship this. I may be selling my Sparco seat, just the driver's one. Actually, I'll give you the passenger one because that one is more pristine. I'll sell one of those seats. They go for, I think they go 700 new. Yeah, 700. Let's take the calculator. Usually take up what, 30 to 40% off that. So let's do 35 times 705, 246. So 705 minus 240. Let's do $7. $458. You guys want it for $450. If someone wants to buy for my seat for $450, let me know. And you guys are local, I will give you my Sparco Evo seat for $450. Just the seat, no harness, no nothing like that, no hardware. And then I also might be selling the Sparco 4-point harnesses. They're the 3-inch. They're these ones, $230. So let's do 35 times 460 equals 161. So 460 minus 161. $300. I let them go 275 if you guys want them for 275. Just the harnesses, no hardware, so you'll have to get your own eye bolts. So just come with this basically. So you'll need your little bolts, and then mine don't have this part on the end. They have the one that wraps around the roll bar. So yeah, if you guys are interested in the harnesses or the seat and you are local, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up in the comments down below. Do what you gotta do, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.